Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. And today, what we're looking at is how we solve this equation. It's basically asking where the cosine of x is equal to the sine of x between 0 and 2 pi. That's done in set notation, which is a slightly different way of looking at things. Now, if I illustrate this very, very roughly, so please forgive this. A cosine graph looks like this, and a sine graph, a sine graph actually looks like this. So there are a couple of points at which these things hit each other, and so we're just going to try and work out what they are. So how do we go about this? Well, we've got cos x equals sine x. And what we're going to do is we're going to use what's called a trig identity. We're going to try and reduce this to one term with a value that it is equal to. And in order to do that, what we're going to do is, well, I'll just go ahead and do it. So if we just take into account this part of the unit circle where we have the sine of x here and the cosine of x here, the tangent of x is going to be the sine over the cosine. So I'm just going to reverse these. So sine x equals cos x. That does no harm whatsoever. And then I'm going to divide each of these by the cosine of x. And what I get is sine over cosine, which is tan. The tangent of x equals cos x over cos x equals 1. Where is the tangent of x equal to 1? Now, that's a fairly simple problem to deal with. So we'll call that x. That's 1, and that's the square root of 2. So you'll recognize that triangle. So the tangent of x is equal to 1 at 2 points on the unit circle. So more drawing. A very quick and very rough unit circle. Everything is positive here. Tangents are positive here. And so in order to get positive 1, we've got pi on 4, 45 degrees here, pi on 4. So that's pi on 4. And over here, we have pi on 4 from this x-axis. Now this is 5 pi on 4, and that's our other solution for this. So between 0 and 2 pi, there are 2 points at which the tangent of x is equal to 1. It's equal to -1 in this quadrant and -1 in this quadrant, but it's equal to 1 here and 1 here. And so our solution is that cos x equals sine x when x is equal to 5 pi on 4. I'm doing this backwards, I apologize, and pi on 4. And that is between 0 and 2 pi. So I hope that that's clear what I did. The real key to it is knowing that the sine over the cosine is a tangent, and just using this little trick to first of all get a tangent on the left-hand side and to get a numerical value on the right-hand side that we can work with. Okay, thanks very much for watching. If you found this useful, please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.